Hello everyone, and welcome to this audio podcast. This audio podcast synopsis. This is sort of an overview in and around the audio podcast series, the Ztorm Focus V3. This is another It's another ZtormLabostix production, a ZtormLabostix vendip, and this is a sort of an overview or synopsis in and around observing chemokine and chemokine receptor expression in acute allograft rejection, or AAR. In this series, our listeners can anticipate and seek to look to hearing on aspects surrounding some of the intricate aspects in around the immune system and immunobiology, and in and around organ transplantation, and specifically this works this audio podcast series looks at sort of immunobiology and antigen presentation, T cell activation, allo recognition, and allo-response in transplantation, immunosuppression therapies, or IST and acute allograft rejection, and also chemokine receptors and leukocyte trafficking in acute allograft rejection. This works again in some of the sort of descriptive context online or on social media, if you like. There will be some sort of resources in and around these works. However, suffice to say, this works is works that originally took place in around 2003, 2004. And although undocumented, here I thought I'd take the opportunity to share this works and highlight aspects in and around sort of the aspects in and around, once again, looking at the immunobiology, chemokine and chemokine receptor expression in acute allograft rejection, and wherein the original works also had a focus and had a link and sort of an interplay in aspects of academic laboratory, or within an academic laboratory, or within an academic laboratory, and with part of an academic laboratory team, again, the works or the research, or the works during the time that the research sort of originally took place. The sort of undocumented evidence that was in and around this research was not or did not formally, unfortunately did not formally get documented, or sort of shared or disseminated, if you like. And so again, I thought I'd take the opportunity here to provide a basis in and around this works. So once again, this is a sort of a synopsis, if you like, in and around this works. This is the Shientist, and this is the Shientist with a sort of synopsis and an overview in and around this series, the Ztorm Focus V3, and once again, it's another ZtormLabostix production. Thank you for tuning in.